morning, dear Shem stars. How are you all, students? I hope you all are well at your home. So, students, today we are starting with the new chapter number 14, that is statistics. For the statistics, the very first thing that we are going to learn is the mean of a grouped data. The mean of the grouped data is nothing but the average, as we used to calculate in the lower classes. So in case of a grouped data, we have a column of xi and a column of fi. Xi is the class interval, fi is the frequency corresponding to that class interval. So its formula reduces to summation fi xi over summation fi. You have already done this direct method of calculating mean in the class 9th. The next method we are going to study is the assumed mean method. Here we used to take one of the xi value as assumed mean, and then we will make another column di which is xi minus a. The next is just the same as the direct method, summation fi di over summation fi. So likewise we will be calculating mean of the grouped data. So let us understand these two methods with the help of example. So let us understand the same with the help of the example. A survey was conducted by a group of students as a part of their environment awareness program, in which they collected the following data regarding the number of plants in 20 houses in a locality. Find the mean number of the plants per house. So we are given with the locality in which 20 houses are there and the numbers of plant planted by them. So the data is given to us as the number of plants 0 to 2 were planted by one house, 2 to 4 by two houses, 4 to 6 1, 6 to 8 5, 8 to 10 6 houses, 10 to 12 2 and 12 to 14 3 houses. So next they were asking which method did you use for finding the mean and why. So students, as I have told you that we have two methods. One is the direct method and the other one is the assumed mean method. Which method is used when? Direct method is always used when the calculative part is less. As you can see here 1, 2, 1, 5, 6, 2, 3 small values are given to us. So here we are going to use the direct method where the larger values are given to us or numerals are given to us. There we uses the assumed mean method. Now for its solution, first we are going to write the first two columns as such of xi and fi, that is here number of plants and number of houses. The number of plants is in the grouped form, so first we will find xi from that. Xi is the class interval. So upper interval is calculated by upper limit plus lower limit by 2. So here upper limit is 0, upper limit is 2, lower limit is 0. So 0 plus 2 by 2, that is 1. So similarly 2 plus 4, that is 6 by 2, that is 3. Next 6 plus 4, 10 by 2, that is 5. Next 8 plus 6, that is 14 by 2, 7. Next 18, that is 9. Next 10 plus 12, that is 22. So xi becomes 11. 12 plus 14 by 2, 26 by 2 is 13. So likewise we will create xi. Students, xi needed to be made either by using direct method or by using assumed mean method, or we are finding mean, mod, median. We always have to calculate xi because our further calculations always depends upon xi. Next column will be of the multiplication of xi and fi. So directly multiply these two columns, that is xi and fi. So the column of fi xi reduces to 1 into 1, 1, 2 into 3, 6, 1 into 5, 5, 5 into 7, 35, 6 into 9, 54, 2 into 11, 22 and 3 into 13, 39. Next is to find the sum of Fi. It is already given to us that 20 houses are there. So the summation of Fi Xi, which comes out to be 162. Now next part is to apply the formula. So the formula for mean, that is direct method, is summation Fi Xi over summation Fi. So we are substituting the values, that is 162 over 20. That comes out to be 8.1. So thus mean number of plants per house is 8.1. I hope you have thoroughly understood this direct method, and this is quite simple to you because we have already done such questions in class 9th also. So your today's work is just to revise this method again. And tomorrow we will be studying about the assumed mean method in detail. That's all for today, students. Do revise what we have done in the class, and if you have any query, please feel free to ask on the Google Classroom. Take care and have a great day ahead.